India needs more entrepreneurs. India need people to dream big. It is just a shift. Make in India, made in India is now a very, very stale kind of slogan. What we are trying to push is created in India, born in India. That is why you see my startups also.
Yes.
So, अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हो एज ए इंडियन व्हाट डू आई ड्रीम, सो यही एक मेरा विजन है कि लेट अस एज इंडियंस बी प्राउड कि अल्टीमेटली इंडिया इज अराइव्ड, इंडिया कैन पुट द बेस्ट शो while Indians have been driving economies across the globe.
Hi, I'm Kashish Talreja from Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. Today with us, we have a very special guest. He is Mr. Alok Tibrewala. He is the chairman of Plast India 2026 and he's leading the 12th edition of this premiere. And he's also leading this theme of Bharat Next. First of all, I would like to welcome you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing and how
I am good. Tell me.
How are you feeling and what's the feeling of Plast India 2026?
It's a very, very emotional feeling because it is day 4. And when you put your heart and soul in something you create, it is 18 months and a great NEC team and a great president. And you know, the most painful thing is all the beautiful things that you create.
It's
One day you have to start dismantling. So it's a very, very emotional moment when I can see that beginning from 10th night, I need to dismantle. Probably what people are saying, the greatest show India has ever seen. So it's that kind of feeling.
yes, even actually I am the testimony of that because a lot of people came and said the same thing. Bharat Next is a very forward-looking theme.
Yes.
How do you envision this theme integrating with plastic industry and all the exhibitions that are out there?
When I decided that I will take Bharat Next as the theme for Plast India 26, believe me, there were a lot of promises I made to myself because I use this word Bharat. It comes with a lot of patriotism and a lot of responsibility. Bharat Next is all about the next decade or maybe 15 years. This is going to be a golden time for everybody who is an Indian. You're talking about an economy swelling from literally now $4 trillion to 10 trillion.
Yes.
It is going to be the time for people to create wealth.
Yes.
Why Bharat Next? All through the campaign which I have run, I've been talking about Bharat very proudly because I seriously believe I don't need to push hard for growth of plastics. It is one of the wonder material, as it was said. It did receive a beating for a while, mostly for wrong reasons and some for right reasons. That is why you see when I say a zero waste exhibition, when I say a Swachh Bharat Yatra, we have shown this country and the world like plastic people are already very, very aware about what is called a sustainable and responsible growth. People have complimented me every bin. You have 200 sets of bin. It has been, there has been a volunteer at every bin
Yes.
who is teaching you. Teaching people who are educated, to me, is the most difficult thing on this planet because they are not willing to unlearn and relearn. Probably as Plast India team, we have been successful in telling people that you are going wrong because everybody was redirected. No, don't do like this. Do this. You have everything written in English as Hindi. आप ये करें, still people don't do it.
Yeah.
ये एक message है because when India grows, plastic will grow automatically.
Exactly.
When people migrate from villages, when we say we are connecting villages to urban India or urban India going to villages, plastic will be the first touch point. So that is what we have shown through that museum which has received a lot of attention for social media posts, for the cleanliness, hygiene, what we created, for the connectivity when we talk about digital India. So it is about digital India can give you an experience of technology and network what you don't find anywhere in the world. Gino will tell you.
Yes.
1 lakh people have gone seamless. uninterrupted, unhindered. People are doing their businesses. People are connected to families. So that was the experience I wanted to give to the world, that India is finally arrived. So Bharat Next was all about that, about making that statement. Yes, we will not say we are as good as a K or as good as a China Plus. Today, these international community are saying, you have presented what we have not seen anywhere in the world. People are saying me, you have put the best exhibition in the world for plastic they have not seen. So that is a compliment goes to all of us, like everybody in this room also. Ki everybody, every vendor, whatever way they have been associated with me, they have put in their heart and soul. बिकॉज ये भारत नेक्स्ट की थीम थी ना, ये एक्साइट करती लोगों को. आप कहीं ना कहीं, मैं प्लास्टिक की थीम डालता, सस्टेनेबिलिटी वो स्टैंडर्ड थीम है, बट भारत नेक्स्ट इज अ थीम विच आई कुड कनेक्ट पीपल.
Yes.
And probably anybody and everybody who has worked for Plast India, the vendors, they have put in their best work they have ever put into any exhibition in India. And that is how I have nurtured. And all the love and affection, I have nurtured them with love and affection and trust. It was not that I was having that high-handedness that as a chairman I'm giving them work. No, I feel very, very obligated that they have put in everything they had for us.
Indeed, it was really inspiring, and it was also like a proud moment when I was out there and I could see that they were teaching us where to put the waste and not. So it was really inspiring. People were coming and saying the same thing. So it is indeed a very proud moment for all of us. So where do you see this plastic industry going next? What's the next arc for our industry?
Plastic industry will go threefolds. You will have double the houses you have as of now. 1947 to 2026, आपने जितने घर बनाए हैं, अगले 10 वर्षों में इससे डबल घर बनने वाले.
जी.
डबल घर बनने वाले तो डबल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. डिफेंस में इंडिया इज एसिंग नाउ.
Yes.
Lot of plastics is going into defense. Automobile, we are acing. Lot of plastics goes into automobile. The vision of Prime Minister to connect all rivers. हर घर कल योजना. We will be talking enough about plastic culture. Because plastic in agriculture is yet to take that bounce. But आप जब ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन की बात करते हैं तो अगला ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन प्लास्टिक के कारण नहीं आएगा. You will see lot of plastics in agriculture also. So everywhere you will be talking textiles.
Yes.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री का क्या है कि lot of finished products are fragmented into small sections. You have a textile fair, you will see lot of plastics. You have an automobile fair, Bharat Mobility, you will see lot of plastic. You have a H-Tech, you will see lot of plastics. Finished goods तो आप देख ही नहीं रहे इस exhibition में. So ultimately, lot of plastics will have to be processed in India. The best part is today आज हम 5.5 लाख करोड़ की इंडस्ट्री है, 5.5 lakhs crore. 80% processing is done by MSMEs.
Yes.
MSMEs is the backbone of this country. MSME is a backbone of plastic industry. Plastic industry growth का सबसे beautiful part क्या है? You know the takeaway. It will stay and primarily be run by MSMEs.
Wow.
So if you have this 5 lakh, 6 lakh crore industry swelling to 15 lakh crore, can you imagine the number of MSMEs that will participate? प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री की सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि आप 20 लाख के निवेश, लाइक जस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 20 लाख, यू कैन बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली ऑफ प्लास्टिक प्रोसेसर्स इन इंडिया, एंड स्टिल यू कैन ड्रीम ऑफ पुटिंग इन 20,000 crore इन अ बिजनेस ऑफ प्लास्टिक. डेल्टा इतना बड़ा है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. इंडिया नीड्स मोर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. इंडिया नीड पीपल टू ड्रीम बिग. It is just a shift. Make in India, made in India is now a very, very stale kind of slogan. What we are trying to push is created in India, born in India. That is why you see my startups also.
Yes.
So, अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हो as a Indian, what do I dream? I will say this idea. आर्यभट्ट ने मैथमेटिक्स इन्वाइट किया, and a lot of people 1000 वर्षों में, 500 वर्षों में, who have not been given the kind of respect by the world community that we always deserved as Indians. What my wish list is going forward 10 years, somebody in France says, now this is made in France.
Yeah.
Now this is made in China. What? Something which was made in India, I take it. So यही एक मेरा vision है कि let us as Indians be proud कि ultimately India has arrived. India can put the best show while Indians have been driving economies across the globe
Without a doubt.
without being recognized. जब Indians पूरी वर्ल्ड के इकोनॉमी को ड्राइव करते हैं, दे आर द डिसीजन मेकर्स, दे आर द पॉलिसी मेकर्स, दे आर द स्ट्रेंथ बिसाइड्स मोस्ट इकोनॉमीज इन द वर्ल्ड. इट इज टाइम दैट इंडियंस वी शुड कम बैक. All the great people, great minds, we should give reasons for them to hold those resources back in India and try to push India to a level probably Indians have not done.
I agree.
That is Bharat Next.
इसी बात पे बिकॉज यू हैव सच डीप इंसाइट्स एंड वैल्यूबल इंसाइट्स, आई थिंक इट विल बेनिफिट आवर ऑडियंस ऑल्सो. अगर आप कुछ बता सकते हैं कि जो यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, न्यू जनरेशन है हु इज प्लानिंग टू गेट इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री, एनी एडवाइस फॉर देम?
See, this young generation, what I see, they are trying to get into a comfort zone. पिताजी ने कमा लिया, उसने कमा लिया, या आपने अच्छी जॉब ले ली, then you start going to capital markets. So everybody is trying to get into comfort zones. They have to understand two generations. They can be their grandparents, parents. They have toiled hard. They have invested and put at risk everything. For what? You choose that comfort zone. They never were. देश के निर्माण में entrepreneurship must है.
बिल्कुल.
When you put an enterprise, when you put your investment into business, you are not only doing good to your family, you are doing good to those millions of families. तो आपको मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि इस देश ने entrepreneur को वो respect नहीं दिया अभी तक. We are the economic generators. हम जितनी भी देश की भक्ति की बात करते हैं ना कि हमने देश ने ये कर दिया, हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर दिया, देश का टैक्स पेयर इज द पर्सन हु इज फिलिंग एंड फंडिंग वॉट एवर न्यूज यू सी. तो देश के जो टैक्स जनरेटर्स हैं या रेवेन्यू जनरेटर्स हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटर्स हैं, एट टाइम्स आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ अटेंशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो. प्लीज स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग देम, रिकग्नाइजिंग देम, bring them on the main stage. MSMEs are not still finding the recognition that you should have been giving to these people all along. And that is why you are not able to attract MSMEs and new next generation of MSMEs to come into this business. It is time that government has to now notice. देश की 10 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी में MSME का बहुत बड़ा योगदान होने वाला है. You may create anything, but if you don't have entrepreneurs, believe me, हमारे ब्रेक लग जाएंगे. It is time that the government and entrepreneurs who are already in this business will have to excite the next generations.
Right.
इनको मेरा निवेदन है, कंफर्ट की लाइफ बहुत ईजी है. Move out of your comfort, you will get the recognition, but do it with देश सेवा. Like ये देश को चाहिए entrepreneurship. So please come forward, join this movement. When we say made in India, we say created in India, we say more production in India, we say India for the world. ये slogan complete नहीं होगा जब तो you have. I am so proud the Honorable Prime Minister has cracked deals, the mother of all deal. And
Okay.
now we are working very well with the US in these geopolitical situations. I think hats off, like you need a person like Narendra Modi ji to pull this deal. And we should all be celebrating it today. और अब जब आप FTAs का इफेक्ट देखोगे तो 5 साल 10 साल ऐसे एक चल रहा है. ये गोल्डन टाइम आपके लिए वेल्थ क्रिएशन का टाइम है. कृपया आप आइए, व्यवसाय से जुड़िए, बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, बिकम इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. इट इज नॉट फॉर योरसेल्फ, it is for this country.
For the
Please do this.
Without a doubt.
Yes.
I think it's the year for our MSMEs. It's high time that we give that support. They are the
Yes.
backbone of this country. So looking forward to that. And before we end this, would you like to say something on Modern Plastics India completing 26 years?
नहीं, honestly, I have a lot of respect for Genu in person and Modern Plastics because again, this is one publication house or a media house. Again, I have seen them growing.
Ji.
And that is also a learning lesson that how a person from a village in South India keeps working effortlessly, tirelessly, going to every entrepreneur's office, trying to take a bite from that person where Modern Plastic becomes a name on an international platform and doing some great work, serving the industry. So Genu itself and Modern Plastic again an example. That yes, we were local, we come from small villages, small families, small towns, but we always had that potential and that push and that desire. So Genu is again one example. You can make India proud again. If he can do, why not others? My only request is, जब कोई बढ़ना चाहता है ना ऊपर, तो कुएं के मेढक मत बनो कि उसको खींचते रहो नीचे.
बिल्कुल.
Give them a push.
Push करो.
This also India needs. Celebrate your success in success of your other people in the same industry. That is how you grow. So instead of just cribbing, you feel he is taking my share. इंडिया का जो मार्केट शेयर है हर चीज़ में इतना बढ़ने वाला है कि आपके अगल के लोग भी बढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो भी आपके लिए ग्रोथ का पोटेंशियल है. सो इट इज टाइम टू टेक एवरीबडी टुगेदर, टेक इंडिया टू नेक्स्ट लेवल, rather than trying to find and protect your own place. That will always be there.
बिल्कुल सही बात बोली और बहुत ही डीप इंसाइट्स के साथ बोली. एंड आई थिंक हमारे ऑडियंस को काफ़ी वैल्यूएबल और काफ़ी इंसाइटफुल रहेगा. आपके जितने भी व्यूज़ थे was all very inspiring. Thank you so much again for having this conversation with me and Modern Plastics TV. And I hope we have this conversation very soon with some new theme and new inspiring concept. And obviously plastic industry is growing. And I wish us all a very good luck so that we keep growing.
Thank you. So it has been an honor and privilege to have me here, and thank you for everything and all the support you have.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir.